Hey there folks, it's today's project guide back here again. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. We got a whole crap load of snow in upstate New York, and this nasty snowstorm that came through from the west really hit us pretty hard. I think we ended up with about a foot of snow everywhere, and a lot of other states got it worse than us. So if that's one of you guys, hope your power's on, hope you're doing well, and you're traveling safe and all that jazz. Don't go crazy out there and drive like a crazy person or hurt yourself or anything like that. But anyway, we are going to be doing some more work on this poor girl. You know, owning a DSM has turned out to be exactly what I remember it being. A big pain in the ass. But regardless, it's fun, it's worth it. At the end of the day, if it puts a smile on your face while you're driving it, keep on going. Here's the first issue I have. I got a little gasket around my door handle sticking out. So that's got to get replaced. Gasket's all old and stretched out. And of course, yesterday when I came out here, it was all iced up and snowing, and we were cleaning the cars off. If you follow us on Instagram, then you probably saw the little clip that we put up, ripping around town and out here driving in the back driveway. Four-wheel burnouts. Can't beat it in the snow, guys. Love it. But came over here and saw this beautifully iced over door, and I know that pulling on these handles will break them if you're not careful, so I was like, oh crap, I gotta open this door, it's frozen shut. I gave it a little tug, it started to move, so I pushed on it a couple of times, gave it a real hard tug, and of course, we broke our door handle. Go figure, right? So, ran over, got the AutoZone Special $19.99. Comes with the little rod clip, the gasket, the handle assembly. We're gonna end up tearing this thing apart and throwing it in there. And we got a little bit more snow coming, I guess, so we're going to end up doing a little video driving around town, and I'm going to have a friend with me to show you guys how this thing performs in the snow. It's actually really fun. Anyways, we're going to start swapping these parts out ASAP, and then we're going to get back under the hood and do a little upgrade. We actually got a pop-up tent we're going to put up out here so we don't get snowed on and rained on or whatever else comes our way. That's crazy state. But that's it for today, guys. Just want to throw you a little update on our next one. We'll see you later this week with how to swap out your driver's and passenger side door handle. If I can source the passenger side, that is. But regardless, appreciate all the new followers on Instagram and all you new subscribers. Thanks for sticking around and watching the content, and I'm glad you're enjoying it. And all you newbies out there, if you have any more questions, my email has been getting flooded lately. And lots of questions and parts recommendations. And I just want to let you guys know I'm no DSM expert. I'm not an expert in any form or fashion. I know how to do some of these things because I've messed around with these cars a little bit, and a lot of it's basic common sense maintenance. All this stuff that I can do, you can do yourself. So if you guys have any questions or you need a little assistance finding a part, I've developed a little bit of a network with a couple of the guys on DSM Classifieds page. So finding parts has been pretty simple for the most part, even though these cars are 20 years old. There's a lot of guys out there. I encourage you to go check out the DSMtuners.com page and the forums and all that, and then go on to Facebook if you're looking for used parts. The DSM Facebook page, those guys are great at the DSM Classifieds. There's tons of good deals on there. If you're looking for Haltech ECUs, or you're looking for the EEPROM systems, or just parts in general, I've found the majority of the stuff that I've shown you guys, aside from the new parts, right on that website at great prices, so make sure you go there. But anyway, we're gonna call it a day for right now, and we'll see you guys soon with another upload. So until then, you all take care, and we'll see you next time in today's project guide.